So in this problem, we have a patient who is receiving dopamine at 6 milliliters per hour. We have that our concentration of dopamine is 800 milligrams per 250 milliliters. We have the patient's weight at 75 kilograms. What we want is to calculate the micrograms per kilogram per minute that the patient is receiving. So we're first going to look at our endpoint, micrograms per kilogram. And then the other things that this problem gives us are, we have currently running 6 milliliters per hour, and we have a concentration of 800 milligrams per 250 milliliters, and we have the patient's weight at 75 kilograms. So to keep track of what our final endpoint is, we're going to put over here that our endpoint that we're going to want is micrograms per kilograms per minute. And then we're going to just start working this out. So we're going to start with our order is 6 milliliters for every 1 hour. So our answer is going to include minutes. So we're going to get rid of hours here. So we're going to say 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So now we can cancel out hours. And minutes is going to be in our final answer. So we're going to circle that so we can keep track of it. And then we're going to have to get rid of this milliliters. So now we're going to put 250 milliliters on the bottom so that we can cancel out this 6 milliliters in the order. And we're going to put then 800 milligrams. And this fraction has to go together because we have 800 milligrams in 250 milliliters. So now we can cancel out milliliters, and we can cancel out milliliters here. And so now we have a couple of calculations left. So we're going to need our answer in micrograms. So we're going to cancel out this milligrams here and say we have 1,000 micrograms. And now we can cancel out milligrams here, and we are going to circle micrograms because that is part of our final answer. So now we're going to need the patient's weight in kilograms, and we're going to have kilograms on the bottom because kilograms is in the bottom of our final answer. So we're going to say our patient weighs 75 kilograms, and up here we just have one patient. So now we're going to go ahead and circle kilograms. So now we have everything canceled out except for the values that we want. So we have left micrograms over kilograms per minute. So now we're just going to multiply this out. Again, the final product that we want is micrograms per kilogram per minute. And to get that, we're going to have 6 times 800 times 1,000 micrograms. And we're going to multiply that times 60 minutes times 250 times 75 kilograms, which is going to give us 4,800,000 micrograms divided by 1,125,000 minutes per kilogram. When we multiply this out, this is going to give us 4.267, and we're going to round this to the nearest tenth. So we're going to say now that this is 4.3, and again, our final answer is in micrograms per kilogram per minute.